What's up guys? In this video, let's check out the newly introduced red color variant of the Mi Earphones Basic at a super budget price of just under Rs 400 and compare the differences with the older silver version. It has almost been 2 years since I bought the basic silver version of the Mi inner headphones from the Mi store at the retail price of Rs 500. So on noticing the newer red version at just under Rs 400, I had to check these ones out since the red looked really attractive and also it had some major design changes which might interest some of you. We will touch on the differences in the later part of the video. Continuing with the unboxing, the earphones comes in a simple package which holds the red earphones itself with 2 extra set of silicone ear tips to suit your ear canal size. The deep red aluminum alloy sound chamber feels like premium quality material, same as the silver version, and is pretty light at the same time. The rest of the earphones are of black color with a gold plated 3.5mm stereo pin. The cables are relatively thick compared to other earphones and are tangle free though not flat, so this should help it to last for a long time. Talking about cables, herein lies the first visible difference between the silver and the red variants, where the red has round cables with flat type cables on the silver version. So for those of you who don't prefer flat cables, can go for the red ones. The second more functional difference is the L-type 3.5mm jack on the reds as compared to the straight ones on the silver. The L-type jacks definitely helps in prolonging the lifespan, where you can place your devices in pockets by preventing damage at joints. Now coming to the audio quality, it has a good overall sound signature with a correct amount of highs, mids and lows. Good treble response without ear fatigue during long listening sessions. The vocals are clear with a bass tone that bass heads will definitely like. Overall an awesome balance. For a very pocket friendly price of just Rs 400, it has the ability to beat other headphones which cost more than double its price. And with the advantage of the L-type pin and the rounded tangle free cables, these red basic earphones is definitely a recommended buy. Stay tuned for more interesting tech stuff and bench test of the Zenfone Max Pro M1. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.